What's up, YouTube? Just thought I'd let you guys know what I've been up to. Trying my hand at some carpentry. It's been a while. But, what do you think it is? So, this is my attempt at a Murphy bed. I tried to make it look like you could open the doors, but of course, it's a Murphy bed, so you can't. So, what I did here is that I had a small room and it's being used as an office. So, it's not much room in here. It's like a 10 by 10. It's very small. It's a very small room. So, I had to build this for an additional guest room. So, this will work perfect. So, in order to get this down, I had to move the chair, as you can just see. That's how tight it is in here. So, just to show you my build, there's a handle right there, and a handle on the other side. Well, pin, I should call it. So, to get the bed down, you have to pull out these safety pins. Nice thick pins. On each side. And it's a little heavy, you know, I don't have springs on it, but it works rather well. So here it is with no mattress in it. And you just gotta swing the legs down. There's one leg. And there's the other leg. You can set it down. And the mattress is not in it, but there it is. Nice and easy, guys. Just kidding, this was difficult and expensive. Wood right now is very expensive. And we just use these, what it is, it's hinges for a boat seat. But it works great. My wife actually found it online and gave me the idea. And then after building this, I looked at some plans that other people did. And man, did I go overboard. I got about 400 bucks into this. A little over. But that's what she looks like. So I'm gonna put it back up. And I can get the other one when I get it up there. The trick with this one is you have to keep this leg in further than that hole. So it's pretty much that easy. There's one back on. There's the other one. All right. So there it is, guys. The Kelly Tech Murphy bed. Tell me what you guys think. And as always, have a tech day.